What is going on, guys? It is Coyote time. I am super excited for this, guys. I have been waiting for this moment for the longest time, ever since I started building the car. When I first got into this car, man, I thought these things were fast. I thought 2 valves were fast. I did a couple bolt-ons, challenged my buddy to a race. It was an S550 stock, and you know, with no forced induction application, just, you know, a couple bolt-ons, I was quickly humbled into knowing my car is slow as shit. So fast forward down the line, this car is a full bolt-on monster now, has nitrous. It's basically, you know, max effort. Yeah, if we put any more power into this car, it's gonna let go of the rods. So yeah, it's maxed out as much as it can be, so it is time for a Coyote run. This is the homie Angel, and this is his Gen 1 Coyote. It is a 6R80, so I was nervous going into this race. A 6R80, it's not a 10R80 like the dual clutch transmission, but the 6R80 is still a pretty quick transmission. Same transmission that's in my truck. And it's a fast transmission, man. You have to be shifting on your game when you're in a manual car. So I was nervous about that. It does have some bolt-ons to it. The only thing it doesn't have is long tube headers and E85, which that really steps up these Coyotes. But it does have some bolt-ons and a custom tune. So without talking anymore, guys, I'll let you guys go ahead and check out these runs. Holy guys, were you guys not impressed with those runs? The 2 valve is definitely holding its own now. I cannot believe that, you know, it gapped a Coyote. We did actually 3 runs, but one of the runs I forgot to turn the GoPro on. It was the same, you know, same runs as these. The closest run was a 50 roll. He wanted a 50 roll, and he actually hopped out in front of me, and I actually reeled him in, which is crazy because I have 373s in the back and my top end is just completely trash. I have to shift into 5th gear once I'm going like 120 or 125 or something like that. I have to shift into 5th gear. So yeah, my gears are really steep. So I was really surprised that I reeled him back in, but I guess it's the power to weight ratio thing, guys. That is a huge thing. You guys got to keep that in mind when you are racing. My car probably weighs a little bit less than 3,100 pounds. It's making, I'm thinking it's making 430 wheel or 420 wheel, one of the two. It's not making, I don't think it's making more than that. If it does, I'd be very surprised. But this Coyote, not to take anything away from it, guys, it's very clean. It's on bags, and he did have a passenger with him. So these Coyotes are not the lightest cars. This car is definitely heavier than mine. It definitely looks nicer than mine. And it has a tire on it, so he was hooking, and I was asking him, hey bro, is everything good? And he's like, yeah man, everything's good. You know, your car is just quicker than mine. It's a nice car. And you know, he gave me his props, and that's what's up, man. That's the kind of runs I'm looking for. I'm not looking for the crybaby stuff, the getting mad, the getting upset. Those guys, you know, they can have their way. They can be by themselves. I don't want no business dealing with those type of people. This type of guy is those runs that I want, where it's all fun and games. It's cool, it's fun, it's we get our runs in, we go home safe, and you know, we live to race another day, and you know, it's all fun. And he told me, hey man, I'm gonna get my headers on at E85 and we should run it back. So that's exactly what I want to do. And we'll see if there's a part 2 to this. We left on a good note. It's chilling, no bad words were said. There was no altercation, like I said, man. Stand up guy. And Angel, if you're watching, man, I really appreciate it, bro. Thank you for the fun runs, and thank you for finally letting me get my Coyote run. So yeah guys, next step after this is I want to make it back to the track, because they say that your car runs the best right before it's about to explode. So I don't think my car will let go of a rod or something like that, but you never know. This car is making a lot of power right now, and it is running damn good. So I'm gonna lay off the runs for a little while, and I want to get some suspension in the car. I want to do a little bit more weight reduction, and I want to make it back to the track, man. My boy Phil, the tuner, and a homie of mine, we were supposed to go make it to the track soon, so I want the car to have some suspension in it. That way we can make a better 60 foot down the track. Its current PB is a 12.4 at 110. With a 1.7 60 foot, and that was on 28-inch tires and a stock suspension setup. So currently looking for a sponsor that wants to work, so if you guys know anyone, let them know. But yeah guys, that's for what's to come. We want to make it back to the track. We want to set a PB. We're gonna crack those 11s, man. Trust me, I know we are. This car is, it's cooking for sure. So thank you guys for all the continued support, man. You guys are really, you know, killing it right now, and y'all are freaking awesome. Please share this video with your friends. 2Valve gang, stand up. We are putting a force to be reckoned with on these Coyotes. I'm really happy on how the car is running right now, and man, I cannot wait to make it back to the track. If you guys enjoyed this one, please hit a thumbs up, man. Please drop a comment down below. It really helps out a ton, and we'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy 4.6Chris. See y'all later, man. Peace.